Another quick one on EU. I'll be looking to buy if price breaks this high. I see some further development in price. Other than that, there's nothing to do on EU at the moment. GU that's looking so promising. And 27th of January 2025. Let's run a quick analysis on GU. One of the things I will be looking at this morning before going out for lectures if there's any. You have this 3 candle pattern on the daily time frame, which ideally will expect the next day, this one, to close above the previous day's high. So let's move on to the 4-hour. And also, I'm also aware that we are heavily bearish structure-wise on the daily time frame, and price could end up moving to the downside as seen on the 4-hour time frame where we are bearish, and when that deep premium prices we anticipate price to continue to the downside, right? And currently we are not mitigating anything of significance. I think if you're looking for this, if you're looking at this guy here, then to be a thing for you. I just want to be short in premium price according to 4-hour time frame, because this is where we anticipate price to continue to the downside in relation to the previous continuous trend. Look at the M15. On the M15 we are currently bullish, and when the M15 switches bearish, it will give us a signal that the 4-hour pullback has ended. So if the M15 is currently bullish, that means we are still in that 4-hour pullback phase according to, so we are currently bullish on the M15 time frame, and we are having this internal pullback quite nicely, and I'll be looking to get involved in longs despite the fact that premium price is on 4-hour time frame. So going on about my day, I'll be placing my limit here to look to get involved in longs to take price to the upside. And if we do switch bearish, I'll be looking to readjust my analysis and go with the trend. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe and share. Turn on the post notification to be notified anytime I post a new video.
Question the pending order, and for the size of it is 0.04 as calculated, then my stop loss will be at 1.24007, 24007. My entry at 24260, 24260. My TP will be out. I will test TP because if there happens to be any class of the day, then I wouldn't be worried about any position during lectures, just to set and forget, right? TP will be at 25019. Yep. Then
New side of things, nothing to really concern myself about rather than this low impact news, rather than this medium impact news, sorry to say, that we have on EU and US. Look what happened, guys. Price just came and tagged very small, just the tip of it, and started going up. I still come back, even maybe going further to smash my stop loss. Well, something to take note about. Well, let's see if he did tag she did tag me here. Same thing, price did not tag me here, just came just to the tip, but it's still going to come back. It might come back, it might not, but if it doesn't come back and goes further to break in some highs, I'll still be looking to get involved. But let's see if it does come back and tags me, then I'm going to wait for price to do its thing, right? But regardless, I'm going to update you guys. Please subscribe. A quick update, guys. Price didn't really tag me as of now, 9:47 a.m. But this low came in at exactly my entry point, so due to spreads, it not tagged me on my account. I don't know if price is still going to come down at the moment, but price is running quite nice, about like 28 pips in my favor already. On EU side of things, EU did break the high I was anticipating, but I'll not be looking to get involved in longs anymore because I don't like the way price went up to break the high. So that's it about EU. Waiting for further development. I think it's GU that's looking more promising at the moment, but for some reason it's not tagging. I don't know if it's going to come down, but if GU ends up going to break this high also. Yes, break this high also. So this high, I'm looking to get involved in another entry, but for now let's see how it goes, guys. Okay guys, something have happened, nothing really to get involved in. I was still bullish on GPSD, and this is the trade I initially wanted to get involved in. Something funny really happened. Price came and tagged exactly at 24,260 without tagging me in on my broker field due to spreads. If you're a forex trader, you know this happened a lot of times. So what I was watching out for is for price to break this high here. If you can see, for price to break this high to look to get involved in longs. But currently price did break the high, but I didn't like the upward movement to breaking that high, so I'm still leaving my limits here. If price does come back to sweep this low and tagging me, I will still consider it as a sweep of liquidity to continue to the upside, but I don't think that might happen. It might, but I'm not really sure about that one. At the same time, this is the overall target. I'm looking at this high here, though I'm not in the trade, but just a quick update on the trade initially intended to take. Let's check EU side of things. On EU, I'm moving up quite aggressively. Not something I'm really looking to get involved in. I don't think I'm to set up for EU, to be honest. Let's see. I think I'm going to pass on EU. Just GU at the moment. I don't know if price will tag or not. Let's get to the end of session, and yeah, that's Monday. Okay guys, currently 11:02. It was end of my London session already. I'm going to cancel my limits because price didn't tag me, and this is one of those painful ones. Yes, but it did go on to hit smash all highs due to spreads did not tag me. So let me look forward to closing my limit. Let me check EU. I don't know what I like checking EU, but I don't think there's anything to do on EU. Still nothing to do on EU. So GU is surging up so quickly, about 68.5 pip up already. Let me close my limits. As you can see, price didn't really tag me. That's so painful, but price came down so close to the entry point. Yep, so I'll be closing my limit now because it's not looking good at the moment. I don't think anything. It's end of session already. So I've cancelled my order, guys. Bye for now. This is the end of London session. We're looking forward to trading New York, but I don't really think anything will set up for New York as it has already in London session. It'll take a very long time for anything to come to fruition, but let's see. I don't think price even came close to my entry. My entry was at, let's see, my entry was at 24,260. Let's see the low of this candle. The low of this candle came in at one high low 24,261 above my entry. So it did miss me by one pippet. Yeah, move on to the next one. Nothing to be worried about.